Let's take a look at a workflow in Streamline built around a CLM use case. Let's say I'm an attorney and I need to initiate a CLM workflow for an equity purchase agreement. In Streamline, I can create the agreement, pre-fill it from information in an external data source, route it for redlining to the buyer and seller, and send it out for signature. Let's jump into the document step, where I can create a document from scratch or upload it. In this case, I've uploaded our standard equity purchase agreement and indicated I'd like to pre-fill the seller's name and address, as well as the state of the corporation being purchased. Next, let's go into the collaboration step, which pulls from the document I previously uploaded and allows me to indicate who the parties are that will be part of the collaboration. In this case, I want to view the pre-filled document before anyone else, so I've added myself as the document owner. The buyer is the external party, and they'll be able to view the document once I submit the first version. Of course, I need to also configure who needs to sign this agreement once it is finalized. I've added a sign step that includes 3 parties that need to sign the final document. I can indicate if signatures need to be collected simultaneously or in sequence, and customize the delivery message. Now it's time to run the workflow. I'll click New Session and enter the name of the record I want to search for in the external data source. This will be used to pre-fill the agreement with the appropriate values. Once I click Continue Session, the document will be generated and I will be emailed a link to the draft. Once I click Open Draft from my email, I'll enter the collaboration space. I can now immediately begin making changes to the document. Once I'm finished, I'll submit the first version for the external party to review. Here, I've received the invitation to collaborate as the external party, and let's see what the document looks like. Here I can see that the red lines were made. I'm okay with these changes, so I'll accept them. But I want to change the survival period of the representations and warranties to 24 months. Those are all the changes I want to make. So I'm going to go up here and not only submit the version, but mark my review as complete. If I go back to my email, now as the internal party, I can open and review it. I can see my red lines were accepted, and there was one change that was made. I'll accept it, and before I mark my review as complete, I'm just going to take a quick look at how the 2 versions compare. That looks good. That looks good. And I'll now mark my review as complete. And this will continue the process with signature requests being emailed out.